So it's almost ready. We cooked the chili yesterday and it cooled down overnight. It's almost ready for packing. So I've been cooking this chili for almost 2 years now. I first made the chili to raise funds to publish my book, my 100 Daughters, 100 Patients, 100 Meals book, photobook and cookbook. That was that I published that I made in memory of my father, and it did quite well. I sold quite a bit of the chili, and managed to raise 30% of the production cost of the book. And people loved the chili and they kept ordering, so I kept making it. So now it's been almost 2 years. So Poon's chili is actually made from spices and different chili from 3 different countries. I call it the 3 spice kingdoms: China, Thailand and India. So I think the blending of these 3 sort of countries gives it this unique smell and taste. Very fragrant. The chili is great to eat with all kinds of dough, like dumplings, bread, noodles, rice, perfect with rice, fried rice, or even just steamed rice. So the good thing about this chili is that it's vegetarian, and not just vegetarian, it's actually Buddhist vegetarian friendly. My eldest sister is actually Buddhist vegetarian, and this doesn't have any garlic or onion, which the Buddhists don't eat. So this is Buddhist friendly, vegan as well. Poon's chili labels, all packed. Now let's stick the labels on. Poon's chili, freshly made. Get yours now. First customer of the new batch. Thank you, man. How you been, man?
Good.
Wow, long time no see, man. You rode your bike here. Your sons?
I have 3 boys. Eldest is in national service.
Yeah. Okay, man. Take care. Drive safely.